Reflection after each lesson helps in identification of the areas for better teaching and learning process. Many a time, I see that my planned activities could be improved further to enhance the quality. In the lesson on developing a news report, the learner's book suggests a set of 6 dramatic scenes to structure and perform a television report. That's called storyboard activity. Post the discussion on the storyboard scenes, the students were expected to write and perform a television report in the class. However, during my lesson, I tried to introduce the storyboard but quickly rushed. I did not give much attention to the sequence of those 6 dramatic scenes, and I haven't given the student much thinking time because due to the time factor, I felt it. Later, when they performed their television report, I have actually identified my error of not concentrating more on the storyboard because most of them they have done, but the impact could have been a lot better if the sequence of the storyboard dramatic scenes has been introduced properly. So I have replanned my lesson that way that at least 20-30 minutes are spent on only the storyboard with 1 or 2 or 3 specific examples. That's how my reflection helped me to improve my lesson plans.